I want to find some chords that I can chop up and use as like the foundation for this melody that I want to make. So I might just have a quick search on Splice. What about a synth? That's nice too. I think I like this one. Let's try this. Might bring the BPM down to match the sample, and then when I resample it and chop it back up, I'll speed it back up again. Saw phasey? No. Oh, this one. Let's try this. Okay, let's put the hyper on. And now let's put some reverb. Okay. Might put it before everything. And this filter, I'll make it just a normal low pass. I'll put a compressor after it. And here I think I want to make kind of a long pass, maybe 2 bars. Ramp down. Let's just make it a little bit random. And we'll put this on free and set this to the cutoff. Okay, now what I want to do is use the Chaos LFOs. Let's try this one, and let's just put it on. Let's put another filter in. Put it up here as well. And we'll set this to choose a comb filter. Bring the resonance up. Bring the drive up a little bit. Now let's modulate this just a little bit. Let's put that on the mix as well. Let's bring in some delay. Let's put it on ping pong. Let's do a short delay. Bring in another oscillator and just beefing it up a little bit. Maybe bring it down an octave. Maybe let's bring in another oscillator just to thicken up this part. And let's put some noise in there too. Have it pulse. Now I want to put on a filter and have it sweep through some frequencies. Let's do a phaser. Set this one over here. We'll do it really slow. We'll set it to 3. Bring the mix down a little bit. And I might just start each hit down a little bit in the reverb. There we go. It's a bit more up front. Let's bring in the other Chaos LFO and assign that to the wavetable position. Maybe a bit slower. Let's set this up with a filter. Let's do one of these ones. I'll also put a compressor over here as well. Bring this down. Let's put the Chaos on here. What I can do now, because it's on the bus, I can come over here to the mix and just send any of these oscillators to it. Maybe these two. Let's do the same thing. Let's put a delay on here too. Might take this LFO here, set it to hertz so it's not synced, and then use one of the Chaos LFOs to modulate the speed. Which one was that? Number 4. That's crazy. Maybe bipolar. Let's take LFO5 now and assign that to the rate as well. I'll just have it make the range go a little bit faster over time and maybe bring it back down. So I might do like a really long pass. Let's do 8 bars. Drop that on there. 8 bars will bring the range down. So it gets quicker as it goes, but I don't want it to come in straight away. I want it to play the normal speed for a while. So I might put a delay on this of, let's do a 4-bar delay. Maybe a little bit less. Let's do 2 bars. Yeah, so it starts to get a bit faster. That range is still a little bit too much, but I don't want to go that fast. Bring it down again. Okay, I'm happy with that sitting. I can always tweak it later. Let's try and lay down something above this melody that I've got here already. Now what I want to do so I can get these chords from this melody, if I right click here and do convert harmony to new MIDI track, it's going to try and find the chords. Most of the time it's not spot on, but I can probably use it to tweak a little bit. Okay, so this MIDI should work. Drag this in. So this one, FUO. Drums, effects. Drag the loop in. Oh, let's change the BPM to match the drum loop, 121. Come down here, set it to slice, beat, half notes, take warp off, turn this down, bring this to 0. Might just bring it down straight away. Let's go down 7 semitones. And let's bring in some side chaining. And I'll just start playing in, trying to find some chops while the drums are playing. Okay, let's try and find another chop. I'm going to take this second chop that I made, and I'm going to try and build a melody around this now. Got one of these synths. I'm thinking about maybe layering the initial patch that I made and just trying to play it in on its own. That's cool. Alright, let's have a look at the initial patch. I'll duplicate it out because it's random each time. It will change if I unfreeze the original, so I just want to keep that one there. That sounds like this. Oop, turn that on. Here's all the effects. It's a pretty crazy patch. But then paired with these chords from Splice, I turn this one off. Turn this off. It still sounds wild and unusable, but that can often work well when you're resampling because that's when you get some strange sort of chops. So here's the chops that I got. Beautiful. And then brought that into the beat. Sounds like this. Actually, I'll play this second bit because this is where it's kind of full in the mix. So just filtered some of the lows. At the start, it's just filtered completely, which acts as a nice layer. And then in the first drop bit, it's just filtered out again, which again just acts as a nice layer. And then I took that same initial patch and just made one note that played out. Because it changes so much over time, I just wanted to let it ring out. And that sounds like this. Which in the context of the melody, ooh, beautiful. All right, I'll give it a playthrough now so you can hear the final thing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.